We are discussing Newton's movement law. The first law is inertia. The third law is action-reaction. And we are discussing the second law, that is force equal mass times acceleration. This equation is a multiplication. So when you finish, you need to put the unit, and the unit for force is Newton. So when you finish the multiplication, you need to put the number next to the number, next to the result, the letter N, capital N, okay? So Newton is the unit for force. But what happens when you need to find mass or acceleration? So you need to use the main equation, that is force equals mass times acceleration, and you need to use the triangle. Remember that this line means multiplication, this is division, at the top write F, then M, and A. If you're looking for M on the triangle, you need to cover M. So M equal F over A. So one letter over another letter is a division. You are looking for mass. So when you finish the division and you have the result, the number, you need to put the unit for mass. The unit for mass is kilogram. Then, if you are looking for acceleration, first step, copy the main equation, that is force equal mass times acceleration. Draw the triangle, put the letter F at the top, then M, A. This line means division, this line multiplication. You're looking for the letter A, that is acceleration, so you need to cover the letter A, and the triangle says F over M. So this is another division. When you solve the division and you have the number, next to the number you need to write the unit of acceleration, that is meters per second square. Okay, this M represents meters. This M is mass. Okay, that is part of the equation of force. So the unit for force is Newton. The unit for mass is kilogram. The unit for acceleration is meter per second square.